And if it's not a solid metal like gold or silver, then you can have lots of alloys. And those alloys lead to an irritation, which causes a skin breakdown, which can lead to an entrance of bacteria, which equals... You can see what's happening here is the back part of the earring is actually bent. This up here is some redundant tissue that's formed from the inflammation. So we can't easily remove this earring because it's gotten bent in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the earring off in the front and then remove the post out the back. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully. Say yeah. Did it hurt? little. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's just nervous, right? Of course, I've got these old shaky hands. That thing took off, didn't it? You okay? All right. So we just cut the front part. We got this little grabber guy here. We're going to come in here and see if we can get the back part now. Easy, easy. Did that hurt?
Mm-hmm.
It was a little bit jumpy there. Look what I have for you. I have a surprise here. You did great. Well, that was it. Thanks, Jordan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so what we've decided is that you have a great deal of cerumen impacted in that ear. Can you turn just a little bit right there? I'm going to take a look in there again. And we're going to see if we can't get in there and get this for you. It's rather impressive.
Well, my family's saying anything worth doing is worth overdoing.
All right. All right, just hold real still. Real still. If it hurts, you're going to tell me. We're going to see if we can't gently get that out for you.
Look at that.
We got one big piece. Well, there you go. Don't look. I'll show you. if you got to see it. Take another look in there. How did that feel?
Yeah, it feels better.
Already noticed
Already?
an improvement there, huh? All right, we're going to get back in there real easy. There's another chunk. Key to these is just take it slow, go easy. You know this, Gumby Jean. I know this is for anybody that happens to. Yeah. He's feeling
just
Oh, that was a good piece.
a whole bunch right there. Look at that all
Look at that
coming
one.
out of there. I'm going to show this all to you in just a minute, Mr.
All right.
Kansas. I think you're going to be impressed with the quantity as well as quality. Let's get another look in there. I bet you can hear me now, can't you?
a little bit better.
Yeah, that's right. There it is right there.
Let's work for me. I'm just kidding.
So what we generally recommend people that have a problem with the cerumen building up in the ears is there are some over-the-counter kits that you can get that just have a little bit of an ear wax kind of softener product in it. You can use that to kind of soften the wax, and it has a bulb syringe that you can use to rinse the wax out.
You all right?
They've been good.
Okay. A little water in there.
I'd have just a wee bit more. Now don't go anywhere. Should feel a little bit odd, but it shouldn't hurt. Yeah, you've still got a great deal in there. So we're gonna try one more time right over here. Nice and slow. Oh my.
That feels better.
Look at that dude coming out of there. That's huge. We just got another huge.
Blood too, right?
Sometimes what happens is the little wax will. Oh yeah, you're clear now. The wax and dust will get in there. I want you to see what came out of your ear there.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah. So what happens is it gets in there and it'll dry, and it sort of attaches to the little hairs inside the ear canal. So when we scoop it out, it tears those little hairs out and it hurts a little bit. We have Laser Lemon. How are you, Laser Lemon? You can talk.
Me good.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm looking at your right ear and a little spot toward the top of the ear that's yellow. How long has it been yellow and infected like that?
For about 2-3 days.
Has it ever happened to you before?
Yes.
It has. And then behind the ear is red and irritated, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to show everybody your other ear. So we're going to stop for a moment and then we're going to have you turn over real quick, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're rolling again and we're getting real close. If you can see, could be Jean, if you move her hair out of the way right there, you can see she has a very similar structure on the left ear. This one has swollen up and drained before too, hasn't it?
Yes.
Laser Lemon, you have a special condition. You have a little redundancy in the structures of your ears. You have what's called a branchial otic malformation. Have you ever heard of that before?
I Googled it.
You did? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you knew that you have these.
I knew that I had these. I just didn't know they were so rare.
They are very rare. And have you ever seen an ear, nose, and throat surgeon about maybe getting this investigated to see if anything needs to be done for these?
No.
Okay.
My family has them, so I thought it was normal.
So they run in the family. Okay. Yes. So the other one, what we're going to do is we're going to drain for you, but there's no cyst or sac that needs to be removed. What needs to happen is we just need to put you on antibiotics and get you well, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to stop for a moment and let you turn back over.
Okay.
Okay, we're back on the other side with Laser Lemon. And, wow, did I say, was it Laser Lemon? Mm-hmm. Was that right? Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. Now, you said your sister had surgery to correct hers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so both of them. So it runs in the family. So you have a really interesting genetic kind of issue in your family. It's not very common, and I bet there's a lot of doctors out there that have never seen these before. There's really nothing we can do to make this less painful, so we'll just kind of do it, okay, and be done real quick, as it would hurt just as much to put an injection in this as it is to do this. Deep breath, and okay, so there you go. So this material tends to build up, and when it does, did that hurt very much?
Yeah.
So you feel that right there. Take a deep breath, and we'll just do a gentle kind of squeeze. There's not a lot in there, okay? It's just very little, and guess what? We got it. It's all out now. Mm-hmm. So I want people to know that are out there right now saying, well, that's going to come back because he didn't get the cyst. There is not a cyst. This is actually a birth defect of sorts, and we need to send her over to ear, nose, and throat to have this further evaluated to see if she does need to have anything done. I don't think she's going to because it's not that severe, and what's going to happen is just sometimes she's going to have this get infected. But we'll find out for sure. That sort of falls into the realm of what an ear, nose, and throat surgeon might do. Gumby Jean, thank you for videoing.
No problem. How you doing?
Laser Lemon, thanks for sharing her video on YouTube with all our friends. It's okay with you, right?
Yes. No, thank you.
No, you're welcome. Thank you. And we're going to get you some antibiotics here in just a moment. See this little red down here?
Yeah.
All of this is related to this issue. Brachial otic malformation. Very interesting case today. All right, thanks for sharing.
All right, guys.
All right, then she's gonna spray some cold spray, and then I'm gonna give you a teeny tiny shot in that. Okay? All right, go ahead. We're ready. She sprayed my finger real good. All right, a little stick, little sting, and a burn. You okay?
Yeah.
He's good.
Okay. How was that? That hurt a lot?
Not really.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see okay there, Miss Jenny?
Yes.
All right, we're going to make a little stick on this. You ready? And we're getting a whole bunch of pus that's coming out right now. You see that? How you feeling?
I'm alright.
We got a whole bunch of pus coming out of there. Wow. Here comes more. I can't believe all that was in your ear. I'm going to get another 4x4 here. How's your pain? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
More coming. Oh, yes, honey. You gotta feel that.
It's hard to believe that's all coming out of your ear.
That's right.
Little, did it hurt a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Deep breath. We got to squeeze just a little bit more on it. But boy, we have gotten a whole bunch out of there. That's much smaller. What you're going to do tonight, you're going to do some warm soaks on this, okay?
Yeah.
And then you're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to recheck it for you, okay? You were a trooper, man. Way to hang in there. We're done for now.
All right.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Are your nails and skin looking dry from the summer heat? Does your hair seem brittle and unhealthy? Well, maybe it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. Cocoa Skin Plus is a custom blend designed specifically by Dr. Gilmore to restore your hair's shine, protect your skin from the elements, and make your nails strong and healthy. Let's hear from a few of Dr. G's fans.
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
I don't know if you want to zoom in. My nails have definitely gotten stronger, and finally my hair is actually looking normal. Thanks to this, actually.
Now available on Amazon with a dramatic price cut, Cocoa Skin Plus is only 50 cents a day. So stop waiting, order now, and experience the results you've always wanted. There's an Amazon link in the description.